Hello and welcome back to our lessons. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the OTN tokens that you have collected using the chat broadcast feature. Now, what is a chat broadcast feature? Let's go to Facebook and Instagram and then go to chat broadcast. Then make sure that you have enabled the Facebook page that you use to create your one-time notification. And then you might notice that there is a My OTNs tab here. So click on this tab and you would be able to see the OTN or one-time notification that we created. Notice that this is the template name that we configured during the time we created our one-time notification element. And if you check the tokens collected, we have one token here. You can also view the tokens by clicking the View OTN Subscribers button. This is the subscriber that clicked the Notify Me button, and this is the token that was generated. Again, we now have 1 year span to use this token. One token is equal to one message. You can also see how many tokens have been used here. So currently we haven't used any token yet, and it means that all tokens collected is still available. Now, how do I use this token? If I want to send this message already, then what you can do is you can create a new broadcast. So click the Create New Broadcast button here, and after that, set a broadcast name. Example, My OTN Broadcast Test. After that, you are going to select which flow you want to use to send this broadcast. Example, I want to send this flow, and then after setting the broadcast flow, we are going to use a token. So on the Use OTN configuration, click the Use Token option. And after that, we are going to select which OTN token we are going to use. And after selecting the OTN token, we are going to delete this broadcast rule. This broadcast rule controls which subscribers we are going to send to. By default, the last subscriber interaction is the rule, but we don't need the last subscriber interaction rule because if we use an OTN token, it means that we are not bound to the 24-hour policy. As you can see here, we have one target because we only have one token collected on this OTN campaign. After we have configured all the required fields, we can now click the Launch Your Messenger broadcast button here, and you will be prompted with a button. All you have to do now is click the Yes Broadcast Now to confirm your broadcast. Great, we have already completed our broadcast. All we have to do now is to wait until we receive the broadcast message. Alright, we have already received the broadcast message, and this message is powered by one-time notification or OTN. So this is the flow that we set on the broadcast settings. Now, if we go back to our broadcast campaign, so go to Facebook and Instagram and then chat broadcast, we would be able to see that the message is already completed. Now let's go to the My OTNs tab. As you can see here, the OTN token used is up by 1, and if we check the View OTN Subscribers, we can now see that the status is now used. It means that we will not be able to send another OTN message to the subscriber. If we want to send another OTN or one-time notification message, then we would need to ask for another OTN token. The process is the same. We would send them an OTN prompt, and if that subscriber clicks the Notify Me button, then we would have another OTN token, or a new OTN token will be generated for this specific subscriber, and we would then be able to send another OTN message to this specific subscriber. You can collect as many OTN tokens as you want, and if you're satisfied with the number of tokens collected, you can create a chat broadcast to use the tokens that you have collected. So that marks the end of this video. I hope that you have learned how to collect and use tokens so that we can send promotional messages to our subscribers even if it is beyond the 24-hour window. The great thing here is each token can be used within the span of 1 year. So make sure to use your token within a year, because if you don't, then it will expire. If your token expires, it means that you would need to ask for another OTN token from your subscriber. So that's it for this lesson. See you on our next videos.